There is a house in Westfield, Indiana that sits on 18 acres of wooded land. A two-door mansion, horse stable, and indoor swimming pool. But beneath this wood, the earth holds a terrible secret. In 1996, police dug up this property. What they found were 10,000 bones fragments, burned, broken, spread out like ash. The remains of at least 11 men, some still unknown even today. The man who owned this property was Herbert Baumeister, a successful businessman, a husband, and father of three, and one of Indiana's most deadly serial killers. Herbert Baumeister seemed to have it all. He found a successful thrift store chain called Save-A-Lot, wealthy, respected, and a family man. In 1991, he bought an 18-acre estate, Fox Hollow Farm. It was his dream home. But there was sign something was wrong. He spent night alone by the pool, surrounded by mannequins he had arranged like an audience. In 1994, one of his children found a human skull in wood. Hub calmly explained it was a medical school skeleton from his father's practice, but it wasn't. While playing the family man in Westfield, Hub was haunting in Indiana pools. Men were despairing from a gay community. Young men, middle-aged men, last seen leaving downtown bars. Hub used an alias Brian Stein. He would approach men at bar, charm them with the story of his mansion and pool, and invite them back for drinks. Most of the men who got into his car never left that property alive. In 1994, a man named Tony Harris met Brian Stein at bar. He went back to Fox Solo Farm. Smart suggests a game. He attempted to strangle Tony. Tony pretended to pass out, then fought back and escaped. Tony went to police, then he hired a private investigator. Months later, he saw Brian Stein again and got his license plate. That place traced back to Herbert Baumeister. Police confronted Herb. He denied everything. Without a warrant, they could not search his property. By 1996, Herb's business was failing. He left on a solo road trip. His wife, Yuli, finally let police search the property. June 24, 1996, police entered Fox Solo Farm with cadaver dog and excavation equipment. The dog led them to the woods behind the mansion. What they found were not bodies. They found fragments, 10,000 pieces of burned and crushed bone. Herb had incinerated the bodies using lighter fluid and accelerant. Forensic team began identifying the remains. Roger Godlett, Stephen Hill, Richard Hamilton. At least 11 men. Some identified decades later, some still unknown. When Herb learned police were searching his property, he drove north toward Canada. On July 3, 1996, he pulled into a park in Ontario. He wrote a 3-page letter about failing business and his marriage. The letter never mentioned the murders, never mentioned the victims, no confession. Then Herbert Baumeister shot himself. He took all the secret with himself. Investigators believe Herb killed long before Fox Hollow Farm. Men disappeared along Interstate 70 throughout 1980s. The 11 victims found on his property may be only a fraction of his true body count. As technology advanced, identification continued decades later. But many bone fragments remain nameless. Many families still wait for answers. The house still stands. It's been sold multiple times. Some owners report strange events, shadow, sound, the feeling of being watched. Herbert Baumeister was a successful businessman and a monster.